I capture anything that's out here, anything and everything that's out here. Lynx, wolves, foxes, coyotes, bears, black and brown. We're on the edge of Anchorage, not very far. My cameras are within a quarter to a half a mile from a very populated neighborhood. What's your ears?
Okay, okay.
About 8 years ago, I started with one camera that was only about $60 and put it on one tree, and now I own 9 cameras and currently have 7 cameras active in the far north Bicentennial Park. Well, I get wolves on my cameras fairly regularly. About every 2 years I'll capture a wolf, 1 to 2 maybe on the camera, sometimes a pack. So we are standing right now where on September 12th that pack of 5 wolves took down a moose yearling. Every year bears come and mark that tree, scent mark that tree, including cubs.